Hey, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to shoot you this video to show you some of the things that will help you improve your website's rankings on Google and bring you more business. Now I'm at your website right now, and I've taken your URL and I've put it into a third-party scanner that I use. It's rankdaddy.com. And what we're going to do is we're going to be looking at your main header tags. These tags are made up of your title tag, your metadata tag, your H1 and H2 tags. Now your title tag looks good. It's got your name in there, Bakersfield, that's good. Your metadata description is just right. Unfortunately, your header tags and also your H1 and H2 header tags, you have too many of those, and it's confusing. And unfortunately, that's what's keeping you from page one. Now, I don't know about you, but I usually pick the first 3 companies on page one and then get bids from them on Google. So let's see how your website is ranking on Google right now. And I use a third party for this as well. One of the bad things, though, in your meta description is it talks about the Los Angeles fence company instead of Bakersfield Fence Company. So that could be one of the reasons why you're not on page one as well. So I use SERP to track keywords and see where you rank for those on Google. So I've used Bakersfield Fencing Companies, Bakersfield Fencing Contractor, and Bakersfield Fence Repair. Unfortunately, you're on page 2, 4, and 5 for this. We can get you to page 1. We can get you more business if you could use more business. Now, if you can't use more business, we understand. But if you can, please reach out to us, respond to the email. We can get this fixed for you, and we can bring you more business. If you want to reach out and call me, my number is 559-691-0320. Thank you very much.